down a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.
Good morning, guys. Mr. C and Mrs. C here. It's Friday.
Back from sunny Sunderland, back to sunny Ripley.
It's not sunny in Sunderland. It's been raining a few days.
I'm technically working today, guys. I cancelled my meetings this morning. I'm getting paid till 5:30 this afternoon. And it's only 10:15 in the morning. So, I'm going to do it in a minute, because my truck's a bit sluggish. It's going to get a brand new fuel filter for it. And then I'm going to go to the head office and drop in the laptop. And then the day's my own. I'm paid for doing nothing, guys. What a terrible job I've got.
Get the tobacco because he will die without it.
Yeah, the tobacco shop's just around the corner from where I get the...
So get some cash.
Yeah.
Get some cash at that garage.
Using the Ranger today. It just seems like it won't go over 80 miles an hour. It's always kicking down the gears, it's always dropping down the gearbox. It's not right. So I'm thinking maybe fuel pressure. And I can't remember the last time I changed the fuel filter on it. So I've had the computer on the truck and I've reset the learn values for the automatic transmission. And I'm going to put a new fuel filter in, see if I can get the revs to go above 2,000 revs when it's driving.
It's very sunny today, guys. It's blue sky. See? It's very sunny day. Going to town, not town, Alfreton. Next town.
And I think we might have a barbecue and a jacuzzi for a change.
Already marinated chicken. With the, what's that? Buffalo mix. We tried the buffalo mix. I picked some beans this morning. It's quite a lot of beans. Give some, I think, to the neighbors. Ranger this morning. It's a Ranger. Get some cash. Pay the land as well. Swanik. How to pronounce it? Swanik. Swanik.
Swanwick, even though it's spelled Swanwick.
Sunwick.
Swanwick.
And we have a Baptist church there. Is it a Baptist church or Catholic what?
Sure. Sign. Parish Church.
Parish church.
St Andrews, Swanwick.
Very blue sky, guys.
Yeah, it's going to be a nice day tonight.
Need some
shut. They've moved, so now I've had to
Find it.
find it on sat-nav. Now we're going to go and have a look for it again. It's been there all the time I've lived here, but now they've just moved.
Don't know why you're smoking. The smoke, all the stuff.
I smoke when I want to smoke.
Yeah, but everything is all coming inside there.
Yeah, well, I've had a face full of it, because every time I smoke in here, I flick the ash, it comes back and hits me in the face. I might as well just flick my ash all over the car like this.
Oh, God.
Bloody complaining.
I'll buy you an ashtray,
I
but...
don't need an ashtray. I've got a big one here, look, through the window. Massive ashtray. It's as big as the world.
The tobacco. The favorite shop of Steve. Tobacco shop.
Take the second exit now.
So we need to find the place now. This, the sun is shining. I don't know what the temperature. 20, 22, maybe.
It says they're 18
18.
at the minute, but it is early morning, so
It's only 10, 11.
time to get a bit afternoon, it'll be even hotter.
Why you can able to wait this guy?
Because he can't, so I just carried on. Give him a shot.
You have to stop there because you got a lorry parking. We tour. This is a tour. I don't know where we are. It's still Alfreton, this place. Sultan. And the traffic here, guys.
Oh, look at all the traffic, isn't that nice? Get stuck in a traffic jam there.
There's a traffic there, guys.
Right up the hill. Nothing's ever simple, is it?
This is straight to BM, so
Yeah.
that's why.
In 1/4 mile, turn right onto Hockley Way and then turn right.
Another traffic there, guys. Long traffic in the morning. It's a Friday. Manisha birthday the other day. Hope you have a good day in your birthday, Manisha party in Sri Lanka.
Yeah, happy birthday, Manisha.
It's 2 days gone. I called her that day, decorating balloons and stuff. Hopefully you have a good party, Manisha. In Sri Lanka. Oh, guys,
She's travelling well, Manisha. She's doing Sri Lanka now, so she's over in Sri Lanka, and then in Christmas she's in the Philippines.
it's trying to get used to the gimbal.
Oh, the DJI
Yeah.
phone gimbal that we gave her.
Yeah.
Trying to get used to that. There's McDonald's.
In the McDonald's, we buy the
Oh, look
McDonald's.
for spares. There it is. Oh, have to go right round to it.
Turn right now and then turn right.
There's the McDo.
In 1/10 mile, turn right onto Nix Hill and then make a slight right turn.
The lorry guy, he parked there and gone to McDonald's.
Turn right now and then make a slight right turn.
For spares.
Make a slight right turn now, and then your destination is ahead.
This is not a good move.
You have arrived at your destination. Route guidance is now finished.
Customer parking is there. Okay, so why do you get into it? Retail count. There. Oh, this is going to be fun. Oh, it's a big carry on.
God, this is hard to find him, ano? Okay, belong. Easy guys, it's very expensive car on the front. It's a Aston Martin. Look. Steve went to the office now. I've been in the office. And they have a party today. I don't know why you never gone.
I don't want to go. It's all the people out the office that go. I never consider myself as part of the office because I work remotely. I work away from the office in another part of the country. I'm the guy out there making the company money. God knows what these people do in the office, so I certainly don't want to sit there with them.
Is
on
it
a
Jerome
boat.
going?
No, Jerome's not going either.
Okay.
Just let
Big
them
J,
all-
Big J.
They can all go and slap themselves on the back and tell each other what a good job they're doing.
Sitting around.
Sitting around in an office.
Big J.
My teams are the ones out on the job, doing the job and actually getting the work done. So I don't really want anything to do with them, to be honest.
And they're making a lot of complaint anyway. Here we go, the Aston Martin in the front.
I don't like it.
I don't like it. It's like a normal car, guys. If you never look the logo, the writing, it's like
Like a Evoque.
Nissan.
It's like an Evoque or something.
Nissan or something. You know,
I don't like it at all.
it's quite expensive car, but if you look at it, it's like a normal car. Everything is very nice day today.
Yeah, but they're all doing it now, aren't they? Lamborghini are making like SUVs, Rolls Royce are making SUVs.
Yeah, but the design is
Martin are at it.
not good.
I don't like it.
And quite a lot of money. Look,
Oh, you pay a fortune for it. I mean, for what?
Aston
Pay for
Martin.
the Aston Martin badge. The
Yeah.
engine's basically a Mercedes engine anyway. All the parts are Mercedes.
And they will tell you more than 150,000.
Certainly won't pay it.
A price of the whole house. That's expensive. It's like a Nissan, you know.
I certainly won't buy one.
It's still a fast car, right?
Yeah, it can be quick.
All modcom. I need to buy Lotto today. 119 million. The jackpot.
You'll never win it.
How can you not win it? It's like if you buy it and then you be on it to win it.
You've got to be in it to win it.
In it to win it. You know?
You don't have to buy one, you buy one.
119 million. That's a lot of money. And the Lotto tomorrow 11.3.
You won't win that either.
Be positive, not negative.
If win that tomorrow, we're just getting on a plane to the Philippines.
Yes.
Just leave everything, leave the cars, leave the house.
We build it a home and we make our own road. Just the money, you know, and build it a home
The barangay.
with the barangay. April selling 200 square meter in that area. The same things. Expensive now. You know, put a video on that people in the, from Baguio to Isabela, and they're selling 200 square meter. What you think? The guy give up the 200 square meter maybe. Look, you guys. This is selling more than too much. There we go. The Aston Martin there. What you think, guys? It's like a normal car. Matte finish, black. What? Gray. Go this lorry behind. I just looking at that good car. Move to the side, please. Good.
I don't have any power to get past him anyway. My foot's to the floor now, look. That's it. That's all the power I've got.
Before the ranger is quick.
Nothing more. Hoping this fuel filter sorts it out. You put your foot to the floor and you can only do like 65. 70. No power in it.
Thanks, Mike, for all your comments, Mike. You can learn Tagalog from me. Don't worry. Keep watching.
You got a new subscriber as well.
The two cleaners.
Is it?
Yeah, I showed them my channel.
Hi ladies.
Hi, ladies. He said next time when you bring out your camera when we clean it, we say hello to your blog.
Yeah, we'll get them on the blog.
That time I said I showed the bloggers, and that's why we had to subscribe. I showed them in YouTube, and we click it. Two ladies cleaners.
Yeah.
So we said next time when we coming next week, I will show my camera. Then I say hello to you. Where we working in the place. I said, where company we work, what we do.
There we go.
There we go. The two ladies.
That's it then. We're going to clean a special next week.
Cleaners is specials. And then I show them the vlog. That time mom mentioned in the phone as well. They said, oh, they never do the cleaning job now. You're talking to them the whole time. I said, yeah. They want to do the vlog as well in the camera, you know. Like this. And Mike, you can learn from me for Tagalog, Mike. Keep watching, Mike, and thank you for your comments.
Yeah, thanks Mike. Hope things are well down there, mate.
You know, really sorry I speak Tagalog in my blog. You know, but you can learn it. Tagalog language.
I need to learn as well, pal.
Well, I try to put a subtitle on it. I don't know because I'm editing in my iPhone. I need to delete all my photos too as well because it's not enough storage. Probably thinking, oh, all the blog is all Tagalog now. But this UK-PINAY, so what's wrong with that? Tagalog language. Thank you. Here we go. You can see the new pub in here. So it's supposed to be fish and chips before.
It was fish and chips.
Now they renovated.
They closed it, and then
They built it up as a pub.
something else.
Yeah, you can see. There's Aston Martin is still in my front. You know, they done very well in that pub. There we go, in the other side. Is it the other side? Not this
It's
side.
on the left, but it's just down the road from here.
Yeah.
Ascension tells you about 5 minutes before it comes up.
Here we go. Here we go.
You
You
get all
can
excited about a pub look with a yellow sign on it.
I think it's a yellow one. It's before it's a fish and chip pub.
It was a fish and chip shop. Now what is it? Cherrywood Smokehouse Bar and Grill.
You see how they done very nicely, guys.
It's horrible. It's been great.
Steve don't like it because it's grey and yellow. You know. This is Amber Valley, guys. We're living in a countryside.
There's a golf course.
Yeah.
Ormond Fields Golf Course.
Oh, it's nice to go to walk in there.
No, it's a golf course, babe. You don't want to go walking on the golf course. The golfers get upset.
We forgot to walk today then. Forgot to walk. There it goes. You can see the Amber Valley. There's Aston Martin is still in
That's a shit Aston Martin, really.
on my ground.
If you're going to buy an Aston Martin, get a proper one. You know, 2-door, sports. Why would you want a 4-door thing that looks like a
Nissan.
Nissan?
Nissan. That was the Oh, this is Amber Valley, guys. This town is called Codnor. Is it Codnor?
That's right.
Codnor. And I don't know what the building and that other side is, a Lidl, Aldi or what.
Not sure, there's some signs on the window there. It's not on there.
Signature stuff, you see. Chicken breast. There you go. This is Corner, guys. Small town.
It's a village.
It's a village.
Yeah, towns have town halls. Codnor hasn't got a town hall. It's just a village.
It's a village, okay. But Ripley is a town because we are the town hall.
That's right. Oh my god, what is this? Look at the ass on it. Oh my god. Oh my. That's about 65-year-old.
Nasa kada hairstyle, oh my
All
goodness.
pulled back. The face map looked like a road map of the UK. The face. Got more lines on it. Bloody hell.
Everything is Steve can see is in the road. He will you know, see everything.
That was rough.
Probably is thinking it's a fashion.
Seriously. Come on. If I had a face like that, I'd stand on my hands and teach my ass to speak.
Yeah, but it's the hairstyle like this.
Oh, it pulled back. She'd only pulled it back tight so she could iron out the wrinkles at the front. The tighter you pull the hair, the smoother the face goes. That's what it is. Gosh. It's like mutton dressed as lamb.
How old do you think she is?
Oh, I don't know. I'd have to get an archaeologist in to confirm it, but I think
look at this.
I think
The old
65.
house is for sale.
That's been for sale forever.
Yes. How much you think this?
I don't know. It's all falling to pieces anyway.
Yeah, the house.
You'll see a bit better.
Yes.
derelict now.
It's a big land though, and all the
Yeah, all overgrown. It's been there forever and a day
yeah,
for sale.
guys, the old house is for sale.
It'd be a nice little place, but it'd take a lot of work to get it
Yeah,
right.
but this is the entrance.
That's the drive for it.
Yeah. Was a big house. When you repair it, it's a massive house. And another one here, guys.
Yeah, another old one, look.
Another one they've been run down.
Yeah, run down.
Later on they will sell. Oh my
Probably demolish it and build new houses on the land.
There's still a lot of money anyway to buy it. There you go. This is a long vlog again,
It
guys.
is, because it was a long drive back. Made worse because I have to look at the arse end of a stupid Aston Martin all the way back to flipping Ripley.
You know, if you look at a long way, oh, that's a Nissan. But you see Aston Martin.
I've just seen a car I like.
Oh my goodness.
Bright orange Ford Focus Mark.
That's expensive one.
It's a Ford Focus Mark III.
Is it
Mark
yours?
2, sorry. And it's an ST, Focus ST.
How much you think that one?
I think that'd go for about 8,000. That's nice. And my favourite colour, it's called Tangerine Scream. I like that, I'd buy that. That is got no
Nothing.
price on it. That's what car I would have. Boy racer car.
You know, expensive car in they're selling expensive.
Yeah, for
Crazy. Guys, we're coming through Ripley. You need to change that signboard because it's not able to read anymore. We got everything here. It's coming roundabout and it's got Sainsbury's. And it's got the
Local football and cricket club there.
there's a Sainsbury's there.
Seems to be straight over this roundabout. Still following this bloody horrible Aston Martin. All the way from Nottingham.
I'll go and get you some beers because there are out of beers
That's
anyway.
good, because I've not had beer all week again, guys.
So,
I've been very good. Only drinking at weekends now. And no more bacon sandwiches. I've had Kellogg's
oats.
crunchy nuts and oats every morning now for the last 2 weeks. I normally have bacon sandwiches in thick white bread. So no bacon sandwiches, no beer for the week. That's sort of semi-healthy for me. No wonder I'm bloody moody. Can't even get a good beer. Stressful day at work, get back to the accommodation, back to my flat. And I can't even get a nice cold can of beer. Well, I mean, I could, but my belly will get bigger. I'm trying to get rid of some of my belly before we go to the Philippines.
Don't get to go. We're going walking, you know. we have a park in there to walk. Look in
Yeah,
the.
that's nice. Yeah, you won't find me walking.
You know,
It's definitely not happening.
exercise.
Can't even spell it.
Massive walking park in there. There we go. We home, guys.
Yeah.
Nearly. And you will see we park like a stupid in this place.
It's going to be fun. I'm trying to get myself on the drive with this bloody white van there. Whoever that belongs to.
Just go like drive like that way. Okay guys, we home. Mr. and Mrs. C and Mr. C arrived. This is the handyman.
A bit handy. Something's not right.
He knows how to remove it. Put it back is
Yeah.
difficult, I know.
Oh, get in. Bastard. It's nowhere near. Doesn't want to play. Let's pull that back up. There we go.
Time to get your drink.
I don't understand why this won't fit. Should fit. That's got it. That's got it. Oh no, it isn't. It's not right there. This is awkward. Oh, engines. Giving me grief.
I'm going to get you some beer because you ran out of beer.
Yeah. Why doesn't that want to drop?
See? Damage. That's why Steve would try to repair it. Change it a new one. He brought this one in the shop. I don't know what is that. So go. Now he's trying to fix it there.
Clip doesn't want to go in. The rest of the clips do. Just that one.
There you go.
Oh shit. Fag's gone out.
Oh, look, is that? This one is just the one he's trying to put it back. Go. I don't know about the car. There you go.
Bloody fuel system. This pipe here. I put it back in. But this clip doesn't want to pop back down for some reason. It should do. Awkward. I don't understand why it doesn't want to go back in. That's not good. It means it's not sealing. Let's try it on this one. It's exactly the same. clip. Why? Just doesn't want to go back in again. I don't want to force it.
Let me see, guys.
Everyone else is fine. What's that one? Just that one. One side's gone in, one side hasn't. I don't know why. Getting bored yet? I bloody well am. Come on, clip, get off. It should look exactly the same as that one.
That's mechanical engineering for you guys.
Why does that look? Oh, that's pushed too far in, that's why. That was too far in. Shouldn't look like that. That's wrong. Something broken with it. There, it's taken off completely. And that one. Something wrong with the clip. I wonder if it's leaking air. Let's take the clip off. Yeah, there's a broken bit. It's bent. That's why.
So you need another one, or?
I need to straighten that. Like that. Just need to straighten it. Let's try that. Oh, there's always something, isn't there? Always something. Try and fix a car. Simple job always turns into a bag of shit. That's just supposed to pop up. But that is supposed to stay in there as well. I don't know why it isn't doing. That just pushes in, and then that's supposed to just push down. For some reason it doesn't want to. One side does, one side doesn't.
Still struggling, guys.
should be. I think that should go inside. So maybe I should bend these out. I don't want to break them, that's a problem. It's a weird one.
That one is the problem. I think I'm going to get you some beer now.
Should be two bits. That should sit in there. Pretty sure of it. Like that. And that bit should sit also in there. It's not doing. So I need to bend that in and push at the same time, like that. Yes. That should be. Oh. Just drops it straight down the flipping car. And it's not coming out the bottom, of course. Leaving the system.
It's different. Sound okay?
We'll stutter and die in a minute. Just gonna fill the diesel filter area up. Seems to be alright. That's not bad.
Why?
It's not seated properly.
I'm going to get you some beer, babe, because you
You
will.
said that about half an hour ago.
I will get you some beer.
Yeah, you said that half an hour ago.
You still got some, babe.
It's a good job I've not drank any of this in the time I've been out here, isn't it?
I'll see you in a bit. I will go to get some beer with the boss because
Get it.
you fix it, guys. Think so, but he's not happy.
No, I'm not happy. You're not even looking at the right place. You're looking at that. That clip's not sat properly.
Oh,
Should be sat flush like that blue one. It's not. I don't like it. So I've got to get it to sit nice. It's not doing it at the minute. it's not sitting properly. It's only air bubbles, isn't it? Just take it off, bring it back out again. I've got to figure out why it's not sitting as it should. Oh, shit me. I can't get it. That's it. Now it's supposed to push down over the top of it, and it doesn't want to. Only at one side. One side's not enough. It's been both. Something's stopping it. I can't figure out what it is. If that rackle's loose while we're driving, I pop the fuel line off like that. It's just loose. I don't know why.
Need replacing babe.
Huh?
You can replace that
Well,
one.
I can't just get it from the shop, no. Something wrong with it, I don't know.
It's very dangerous. Then if you're driving, then it come out that one then.
Not good. They've got to sit in the slots, which you can't really see. It's got to sit in that slot. No, don't go under the battery, please. Oh, fuck's sake.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit